Cold open? Got it. Welcome to the realm of speed, power, and luxury. We're talking sports cars, the marvels of engineering that make hearts race. First up, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. A hybrid beast boasting nearly 1,000 horsepower, it's the epitome of Italian flair and performance. Next, the Porsche 911 GT3. German precision at its best, it's a track-ready monster that's surprisingly street-friendly. Lastly, the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. American muscle redefined, it's a testament to performance that doesn't break the bank. 3 different countries, 3 different philosophies, but a shared passion for speed. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale, the Porsche 911 GT3, the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, they're more than just cars, they're experiences. Until next time, keep the pedal to the metal.